Hello, hello. We are here in Seattle, walking over to Pike Place. We got Steve and Terry, and Dad and Tammy back there. We are meeting up with Chris's aunts, Linda and Janice, and we're gonna have lunch downtown in Pike Place, visit around Pike Place, and then probably head to where the Space Needle and stuff is. Just enjoy our day here in Seattle. It is the day before the cruise, so being tourists, do a little sightseeing. So, oh, I see them already. They're over here. Significantly more busy than the last time we were here, but like last time we were here, like COVID was a little bit less and people were just starting to get back out, so now it's very much so more crowded. Also, last time we were here they were closing, so we just got to see the fish being thrown, which was pretty cool. It's literally like the main thing I wanted to see. But now we're walking down to the first Starbucks to show the group. I'm probably gonna give about an hour down here, maybe 30 minutes, and then head down to the Space Needle.
I got the sign that says first Starbucks.
Going to the Chadwick Boseman mural.
Hey, I got 2 vintage caramel fraps. There you go.
Thank you. No one has to cross. See if you can do it cross. Alright, well that was our day in Seattle. We had lunch, we went to Pike Place, saw the Needle, took scooters to see Chadwick Boseman's mural. And yeah, overall we saw fish fly, which was like the #1 thing. So overall, what a wonderful day. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button down below. Whenever you do subscribe, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos that I post. And we'll see you on the next adventure, the cruise.